Oh, best day ever. We are on the home stretch here. Reasons 17 through 20 to stop using those DAX calculated columns. Get out of it. Stop it. All right? Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Right? I don't know what more we could do. Let's get rid of them. Stop using these things. All right. There's 20 of them. Right. So this is the end of it. You've now, after this video, you'll have seen all of the reasons to stop using them. So there's just no reason. That's why there's a best practice is to never ever use these stupid things. All right. So just stop. All right. Number 17. Once you start, you just can't stop. DAX calculated columns are the freaking heroin of analysts' tools, right? Once they add in one, they keep going and going and going, and they always end up with this nightmare scenario where they've got thousands of these stupid things all over the place, creating all of the other nightmares that we've been talking about, okay? Like, it's just an issue, right? Now, that they just multiply, all right? And that leads into number 18. Number 18, every DAX calculated column increases issues with all of the calculated columns, right? Like 1, okay, no big deal. 2, okay, now it's worse. 3, oh no. 4, okay, hang on. Now you start to see people like referencing a DAX calculated column in another calculated column that goes to another Oh my God. The recursion, the nightmares, the issues you can get from this stuff is like once you go in, you just become in this nightmare of wrongness and awfulness. All right. And like, while there were like, just it creates all these issues and the compounding effect of these things is just so problematic. And that leads us to 19. All this stuff should almost always be in Power Query, right? These transformations are so easy to do in Power Query, and then you eliminate this problem. Just move it. Just move it to Power Query. Stop it. Right? You don't even necessarily have to have a data mart layer in place. You can move it to Power Query and be just fine. Now, we already talked about how, like, having a data mart or having a data mart layer inside of the Fabric is super inexpensive. In fact, if you're already using Fabric, there's no additional cost for it. You just have one, and it makes it so much easier for you. In fact, I wouldn't be surprised if Microsoft just automatically built these things for you at some point in time, because it's so foundational to the needs that you have those components out there. But just take whatever you are doing in DAX and put it into Power Query and get yourself out of this nightmare. All right. And then the last reason is just stop it. Stop trying to cheat the system. Stop trying to like cheat the solution design. Stop trying to cheat the architecture. You don't have to spend $500,000 a year managing a data mart. Just get a data mart. Just get a database. Get a lakehouse. Get something out there to get it up and running. Okay, it's those costs, those issues, all of those problems have now gone away. They're not there anymore. You don't have to worry about it. Just do it. All right. And it doesn't depend. It's time to end the insanity. No more DAX columns. All right. Just stop doing this stuff. You don't need it anymore. Okay. Those are the 20 reasons for why you stop using the DAX calculated columns. There's no justifiable reason to avoid this. There's no technical reason why you have to do this stuff. There's no like, oh, short-term, I just did this and now I get this. Oh, no. Like, don't tell me that, because a report doesn't last for one time someone views it. People always come back. They always come back, and then you have to maintain and support it. So stop it. All right. I hope you found this series of videos. In our next one, I'm going to show you how to get out of the nightmare. In fact, we're not even done with the series, so I hope you found the reasons justifiable. So we've been through them all now, all right? Leave your comments down below what you disagree with or how you support it, or like what other reasons to, like, did I miss something? I bet there are more reasons to not use these stupid DAX columns and like to just move that logic someplace else. Let me know. Do the whole YouTube thing, like, subscribe, leave a comment, share, all that good stuff. If you need help, head over to KraosBI.com, click on Get Yourself a Data God, and I'll be happy, myself or someone on my team will be happy to reach out to you and give you a hand out. All right? Let's make this the best possible day by eliminating DAX calculated columns. You have a good one. Peace. No, screw that. You have a best one. Peace. Baker Tilly Digital combines strategic industry insight and advanced technical expertise to uncover and solve your digital transformation challenges. If you're interested in learning more, check out our website at bakertilly.com/digital.